Imagine emerald waters brushing against powdery white sands, a land where the rainforest meets the sea. Welcome to the enchanting Langkawi. This unique paradise offers breathtaking views where lush greenery kisses azure seas under a sky of endless blue. Langkawi, the jewel of Kedah, awaits your arrival. From ancient marvels to modern wonders, Langkawi promises an adventure at every turn. Let's take a peek at what this tropical paradise has in store for you. Our first stop is the Langkawi Sky Bridge. This curved pedestrian bridge, suspended high above the forest canopy, offers breathtaking panoramic views. It's a testament to human ingenuity, seamlessly blending with the natural beauty around it. Next, dive into the underwater world. Home to more than 5,000 marine species, it's like stepping into a living, breathing underwater painting. Then ascend into the clouds on the Langkawi cable car. As you glide upwards, the island unfolds beneath you, a vibrant tapestry of lush greenery and azure sea. Finally, we reach Eagle Square, a symbol of Langkawi's spirit. The towering statue of an eagle poised for flight is a sight to behold, embodying the island's sense of freedom and adventure. In Langkawi, every path leads to a new adventure. Beyond its picturesque landscapes, Langkawi offers experiences that stir the soul. Imagine hopping from island to island, each with its own unique charm, or delving into the heart of nature at the Kilim Geoforest Park, a place where time seems to stand still. Picture yourself watching the sun melt into the horizon from a pristine beach, painting the sky with hues of pink and gold. These are not just activities, they are moments of magic, moments of pure bliss. In Langkawi, every moment is a memory waiting to be made. But what truly sets Langkawi apart is its charm, a blend of natural beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality. Imagine sun-kissed beaches, vibrant traditions, and encounters with the friendliest locals. Langkawi, a paradise that beckons you to experience its charm, a destination that is not just seen but felt. So, when are you packing your bags?